Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can remove and replace the right hand side light bulb on the Honda Accord 2007. Now some people said the right hand side is difficult to remove, so in this video we're going to see how we can remove it. So at the top here there is a cap, so I'm just going to turn it around this way so you can see. Here's the cap I have just opened already. All you have to do is really twist this gray cap. So you just turn it this way, anti-clockwise, and it will come off. Alright, so once it comes off, you can see there is a light bulb in there. Now there is a lever that you need to press and pull down. Now it can be difficult to see at the moment, but there is a lever right here that you need to kind of like press and pull out. Okay, so that lever right here we need to kind of like push in. So I'm just gonna push in like this. So you need to push in, as you can see right here. It's very hard to get the camera in here. So you push in and you let it go out, and then you push it down. Once it's come down, you can then pull out the light. Oh, it's hot at the moment because it's on. Okay, now what we need to do is just simply pull this one out. Let me try to get a focus on it, and then so you need to wiggle around and then kind of like get it out. It will come out. Just a little bit difficult, but just need to, maybe you need to twist it at the right angles. Eventually it will come out. Once it goes, it can be difficult, just need to wiggle back and forth, and you can see now it come off. And so that's the light bulb right there. And once you have a new light bulb, you can get a new light bulb and put it on like so. I'm just going to use a plier, twiddle back and forth to remove it and put it back in. Okay, after that you can insert the light bulb back into the headlight compartment and close the lid cover. Thank you for watching this video.